How much does Austin foundation repair cost? Well, it depends. There are many factors that go into the calculation on the total cost of a foundation repair. Depending on these factors, it might cost a few $100s or up to tens of thousands to fix your foundation. If you've ever watched home improvement shows, you know that a problem with a home's foundation can be very costly. But if you know what to look for, you can roughly estimate for yourself if it's likely to be an expensive repair or not. Keep in mind that what may at first seem like a major issue might just be cosmetic. On the other hand, a small crack may be masking a potential major foundation failure which will require extensive work. The important thing is to have an experienced foundation repair company that specializes in your geographic area inspect your foundation. Knowledge of local soil, rock and groundwater conditions in your area is critical in determining the proper repair method. So, the first step is to call a foundation repair company for a quote, right? Nope. Despite what you might think, the first professional you should contact is a structural engineer who specializes in foundations. Some foundation repair companies have their own structural engineer on staff, while others do not. It is best to have a structural engineer provide a professional assessment of exactly what's necessary to fix your foundation correctly. While there are many foundation companies provide adequate repair services, you might end up getting overcharged if your foundation is not first inspected by a foundation structural engineer. For example, a contractor might say it will take 10 piers to repair your foundation when you really only need 8. With a structural engineer involved, it's not a guessing game. Just make sure that the structural engineer you hire is licensed and in good standing with the Texas Board of Professional Engineers. Another thing that can dramatically affect how much it will cost to fix your foundation is whether or not they need to excavate. And if excavation is necessary, the amount of excavation needed will determine the cost. Also, will a tree need to be removed because the roots are causing the foundation problem? Or you may need to make changes to the landscaping, another added expense to the foundation repair. So, as you can see, there is no easy answer to the question of how much a foundation repair really costs. Besides what is mentioned above, the size of the expected repair, exactly what is causing the foundation issues, which foundation repair contractor you pick to do the repairs, and the methods used for the repair all factor into the final cost. What's really important here is to realize that you should not ignore the signs that your foundation may be failing. While the cost of fixing the foundation may seem like a lot, you do not want to make it more expensive by allowing a problem to fester and get worse. Because when a foundation starts to fail, it will affect your whole house, inside and out. Then, it's not just about fixing the foundation. You'll be looking at repairs to walls, windows, doors, floors, and much, much more.